Rhonda Nickerson for Rhonda's Creative Corner, and I wanted to come on and do a quick tip to show you how I store my wreaths. So the things you're gonna need is a clear plastic bag. It doesn't have to be clear. I like for them to be clear so that I'm able to see the wreaths once I'm getting ready to go ship them. It's easy to see. I don't have to lift the bags up and everything. You can get them at Walmart, and you can also get them at Home Depot. I like the ones from Home Depot because they're thicker, and I use them to ship my mom's when I put my mom's to go in the boxes. I ship them, so if it happens to rain or anything like that, they will not get wet, so they protect them really well. This is actually an old one from Walmart, but I needed to do this video, so I found this one. I was like, well, I'm gonna use it anyway. But yeah, so this is the one from Walmart. It's pretty large, and your wreaths will fit in it. The ones that are from Home Depot are the ones that go in the big barrels. I just cut the excess off that I don't need, but sometimes the mums are longer. It just all depends on what type of mum I'm doing. All right, so I get this, I take my bag, I get my scissors, and I just cut the tip off here. All right, so you're gonna need scissors, you're going to need a bag, you're going to need a hanger, and you're gonna need your wreath, okay? So what I do is I just take my wreath here, and I just put the hanger underneath here. All right, so we have the hanger, and then I just get my bag. And so having the bag, you don't have to have the bag, but I like having the bag just in case it takes a while to sell. It won't collect dust. Just having the bag on here helps it to not get dust and stuff all over it, okay? So you're just protecting your wreath, all right? And then I just cover it up with this. And like I said, the Home Depot bags are a lot larger, but the Walmart ones will work. The Walmart ones are less expensive as well, okay, than the Home Depot ones. So whichever ones you can get, make sure you get them so that you can protect your wreaths. All right. All right, and so what we use are these clothes hangers. I actually got these for about $15 when it was mom season to put all of my orders and stuff on it. So now that we're cleaning up the shop and I want to put my wreaths, I'm just going to use them for my wreaths right now. All right, so we put this here and we just hang them up. And you can also get them on Amazon, the one that has the 2 tiers, and then you can have 2 sets of wreaths on there. So I just stack the wreaths going left to right, all right? I hope this tips help. Y'all have a good evening. Bye, guys.
All right, guys, if you need high-quality wreath supplies, you can go over to our shop at www.rhondascreativecorner.com, or you can also download our new app on iOS and the Google Play Store. Make sure to download it. We will also put down in the description our affiliate links to get your clothes racks for you to hang your wreaths on. All right, guys, until next time. Bye, guys.